kalian kerja from party. Yuan ban ai City, how Chief Minister, City hakibidi but jing pentrikam ya ke Emily scheme. Kaba kalami kerja kantor na kalian kerja Chief Minister, ba jing pentrikam ya ke Emily scheme ham kam tam hakili di constituency balami kmat tak kerja persyak mo. Dakpa thau Secretary Thau ke Kambon saya ke Voice of the People Party kami long ke ba baik se ke ba tikana je kani ke City ke long kum mo man puli kniat yang sai ke copy dan sub copy to Sri Conrad Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Shillong, from Aden Miller Bisaimat, MLA President Voice of the People Party, Laikor Kanton Mon, East Castle District. Subject implementation of MLA schemes. Dear Mr. Conrad, on behalf of the Voice of the People Party, I take this opportunity to write to you this letter in connection with the implementation of MLA schemes. Our attention has been drawn by your recent statement in connection with the implementation of MLA schemes, where you had expressed your concern about the manner in which MLA schemes are implemented, especially in constituencies representing by members belonging to the opposition. I would like to appreciate your concern and apprehensions when you decide to question whether MLA schemes have been properly utilized or not. I fully endorse your sentiment that MLA schemes should be properly utilized and implemented in a transparent manner. I would also like to bring to your notice that as a party which believes in transparency and accountability, it had already written a letter to all its MLAs to ensure that implementation of MLA schemes should be implemented in a transparent manner. Therefore, in this connection, I would like to take a cue from your statement and express my sincere desire for an independent inquiry into the implementation of MLA schemes in the state to be immediately constituted by the government. I would further suggest that you initiate this investigation from the year 2008 onwards, starting from 22 Nongkrem constituency and subsequently to be followed by other constituencies. I hope you will seriously consider this matter so that the people of the state will be more informed about the entire issue. This is kani ketika Shuti ke bangi Liwan ban Aiho Chief Minister Adin bangi osno ye ke jingkren ke jingu ba kamdon karukam pentrekam ka ba janai ke ba yang hagbede be ke any scheme the nagaliang ka jingi but nagaliang ka jingu ku present Liwan ban Aiho jitho ban dawan us Chief Minister bodi ban thau da ka jing toket mo ka ba lai independent inquiry but ban sedang ban toket ye ki jingpen trekam ik MLA scheme nadu usnem arjar pra bata ka bakis sedang nanong krem constituency pas penbuat part itu constituency aja. Hi ngam tip kai ke penlong ya Chief Minister lese Chief Minister la song shit haga jingrim khot jingki prius ke party kalau pelong you Chief Minister lese ba un kren gini ki kentin but kawai ni haban soto ba ka jing sadien jong ka constituency kamdei ha tang nakadaw ke MLA scheme. Ke MLA scheme arklor shiteng shisnem. Kalabyang si bapin kentiu ya ke constituency tang da itai arklor shiteng. Ndrei ka state lani ka constituency ka kiu ha karukom pentrikam jana ki schemes ki befer lingba ke department ki befer. Baka takari ka kamram jo sarkar. Lada mangi ki badon hakal yang persya ngila ban le ya kata ala ni banon rai ka roi ka par klem da don hakal yang sinshat kabamut ngim don kam hiru bangin ye keren yenu no ngin lehi kendrai yaki kam roi ka par hi ka dei ka jintri kam ka janai jo ki department but ka policy jong ka sarkar kani ka dei ka jing persang ban ketat no ye ka jingmut ka ji pakhat ki pa ba ka ba persang ban kedo ya ka benta lesi ka ba phiklem perkhat la kalong ne em ka ba don nong rim bat shisha Hi kumbakalong ngalajop ya MLA election nadu usnem arajar pra hadu ajar khat pra but ajar khat pra ngaremno kompetitif new reward but hagini kesamsinan nadu ajar khat pra hadu arajar aplan na klem don benta IAWM but ke constituency lani bagi pai ba lah kan gondo ke benta kalian telara kita ki snem ki bangang along kumu MLA mo ki bau pai ba ulamat kilong ki snem ki ba na klem la ban pen ki kam pimot bau pai ba ondan jit biang au snem arajar arplai ba ke jingjop ka don borom langit ki pai ba ha ke jela ki mo ki pai ba ki ha ke jela ki but ke election house snem arplai kam de election ka balong simple nri ke election how apply ro ke election ka shirkai ke je the ka jinia ai jinia ram tenri bali ba dan uba klem le yu job magi pai ba ki pe ke ship house snem but ke jingram ke junga ha ka snem aja kha prale se kam de ke jingram no ba pai ba kan tai ngai ke dige jupnia ke jumplay pan sandur thmai pat ya ka san ko play akan jela ko hang ni ngi ya ka jinglong ka basisha lani ka leadership mo jong ka ni ka sarkar ndi ka bangi ba ka leadership ko bakalong jong ka sarkar ndi kam de ka leadership ka balong rangba kam de ka leadership ka ba perkhat ka state ndre ka de leadership ka ba perkhat tang ha ka politics lani ha ka electoral politics but kai ke baki kile kam de namar ka bit ka biang ka jong ka jela ber ko ndre tolong ban shupin tikana be ba ka party ke jong ki kandang ni sinshar ya ka jela ka ching da ka ba pen bit pen khami ya ki pai ba kata ka de ka daw ba plong but ka wi ro nong gi bi ka jingwe jong ka sarkar MD apo ka jinglam jong ka MPP ka de ka jingyo ben ka jingyo po ane ka insult ya ki pai ba nong jit mo ki pai ba nong jit ki ble jit ki wi pat ki party claim de jit ya ki ni ki party ki ba sinshar te kumbadon ka jingong mo you can fool some people sometime but you cannot fool all the people all the time laban penbit sipori ki pai ba katu kat ni na pring ki pai ba dai pinum laban penbit ki pai ba baro barhap ki por baro
si one ban ai kui ka sti video bu chief minister te kani video ba ka CMSDF dan ka chief minister special development fund ka ba kum UMLA di don ya ka ba ka ba kum ba sepulak ka ba ngila ban pha ya proposal ning ba jong ka CMSDF te ka suling ko long ba na kalian ka jonga ngala submit ya kini hakidi gilai tikisna apply arpsau san but arpsan arpundri ya ka proposal awedi ba ka CMSDF te ngelajuan baju keliru na ka office jong CM nrei ka balingo ka long ba hadu mentah ya kini proposal ski ba pha na kalian ka cuma tang ka wiru lempat pelai te ka jingora ka cuma hani por ka long ban pen kemau ya kini proposal ki ba ngala pha ba ka ju opor rupan ba ka wi ka jukren ka jong chief minister ini si no ka ba pelong nya ban na mo pai ba utin bau persamaan kedokti ya ki MLA ko dan po opposition bagi leyu dan rei ngakwa kemang ni por kaji keren ke jonggu par kami ha namara bidi wat tangani ke CMSDF ka bangana glen ke jonga nadu arpo arpla sang la pha adu menta tangi skim berit ini bahaya henry tangi kaniru nakalian ke jonggu pat pelai ya kani jadi nama kadang wan kemang ni por yo chief minister habis di CMSDF hang ti apo mulai